the hell is this?
That's a Sicilian message. It means Luca Brasi sleeps with the fishes.
What's up, everybody? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a brand new video on your favorite new hobby that is probably taking over your life, at least my life. Amazon/Kindle self-publishing. First off, I want to just hit things right off the top with yesterday's video that I released. Yes, the course is out already prematurely. We haven't really done a launch yet, but you can check it out. EliteKeywordMastermind.com. Again, that is EliteKeywordMastermind.com. Link's going to be below for easy access. Basically, that is my system, my course, if you will, on what a good keyword is, how to find good keywords, and the part that everyone is really wanting to buy this damn thing for is that I'm going to be giving you keywords, profitable, hot keywords that will make you money every month. So again, link is below. But aside from that, what I want to talk about today is regarding whether you can be profitable for writing your own books. This has nothing to do with Big Lucas's video today about not being profitable writing your own books. That's a crock of shit. I can say that with confidence because right here, I've got books that I've authored myself. This was before I even really knew that self-publishing involved hiring VAs and copywriters and all that shit. Like, I did these books myself for the most part, with the exception of one cover. But yeah, so I did these books with zero knowledge of what keyword research even was, or that this would even be profitable. I just did this for fun. But it turns out that I've made a few $1,000s off of my own self-authored books, and going back to the keyword that it's related to, it doesn't match the criteria really at all for what a profitable keyword is. And I'm going to show you what it is really quickly. Just so that we can just knock one keyword that you'll never publish for. I don't want you to publish for it. It's my keyword. Fuck off. But yeah, so let's start looking. I think this first book is going to be one of the most successful. It's like the complete guide to powerlifting. So the paperback does decently well. But then these authors are like not really Kindle savvy, so it retails for $9.99, and it only sells one copy maybe every 3 or 4 days, maybe once every 5 days. So yeah, not that great. Brian Carroll's a really established powerlifter, at least back in the day. So he was one of the top lifters in the world. I guess technically he still is strength-wise. He's just, past his prime. This book sells well, as he's an authority figure on the sport. And let's look at that. $29.50 retailing with no discount. It's a 156-page book. As far as I know, it's black and white. So with this ranking, Brian Carroll's probably selling, I don't know, 5 books a day maybe a little bit more. But yeah, Brian's making money. Along with that, I think his Kindle ebook, for some reason he also has it retailed at $9.99. It doesn't sell that well, but that's cool. The paperback's where you make your money. And I could keep going up. This is going to be an exception. Mark Rippetoe is a very well-known author. His book sells like hotcakes. This is like, Starting Strength is the most foundational program, not just for powerlifters, but even for lifters in general. If you need a decent lifting program to start off of, I'm just going to plug it because I can. It's my channel. This is a great book to genuinely buy, and just learning the basic mechanics of lifting, along with setting up a lifting routine for you to use initially. So, actually, these are good books so far. This is mine. We'll skip that. Let me find one that just defies what I'm trying to tell you. Maybe this was a good keyword all along. Yeah, it was decent all along, but yeah. So this would have not passed the test of saying that, the Kindle ebook versions must have a BSR of under 100,000. This keyword would have failed under that criteria. So people telling you that criteria for keyword evaluation, such as Self-Publishing Revolution by Big Luca, that information may have been valid 2 or 3 years ago, but it's certainly not valid anymore. So you just need to be a little bit more creative and open-minded with your keyword evaluation. So yeah, looks like powerlift. I'm gonna have to take my words back. It was profitable overall for the paperbacks, not for the ebook version. But yeah, I'm not nearly as well known. I'm a virtual nobody in powerlifting, with the exception that I do have classifications that I've reached in the sport. I'm considered elite, but that doesn't mean that I'm actually one of the best in the world. Go figure. It's a weird ass classification. But yeah, this book makes me, well, this book sells like once a week right now, but the ebook does slightly better. I think it's going to be around 150. So that just sells moderately well. But this has also been nearly, well, just a little bit about a year old, along with some others that I have here. This one's mine. This one does a lot better. I think this one has a paperback ranking that's pretty good. Yeah, 240,000 is pretty good. The ebook version's doing okay. Then I've got one more. And even though I'm going really quickly, you can notice that I don't have a whole lot of reviews at all. You know why that is? I didn't review swap for any of these books. Even this one, this is not review swapped. So you don't need to be depending on stupid shit to make money all the time. You just need to actually write quality content. And yes, you will get the occasional 1-star. That's normal. But you can get organic reviews too if you either just write good content or you ask for them in a more creative way. I guess you could consider that swapping, just asking people to write a review for your book, but that's better than hiring a bunch of Filipinos to write fake shit, right? So it's all subjective. But yeah, so if you have a keyword that is profitable and it's not quite meeting the criteria, go ahead for it anyway. If you're an author, just what's most important for a niche like this is writing high quality books. I could go through each title on this first page. I can tell right away, since I'm involved in this sport, that none of these are like shit ghostwrite written books. None of them. I know each book here. For a fact, I know that. So even if we go to page 2, if you write shit and it's just, well, this one looks like a questionable one, but I think this was actually generally written by an author too. If you write shit, it will catch on quick that it's shit. If you have good content or even decent content in a not so great niche like this one where it's not super hot, you're still going to make sales. So the opportunity is there. There's potential, not like life-changing potential unless you're already very, very well known in the niche. But if you're just starting out and you want to write a book, go for it. You're going to make money if you're writing good stuff and people want to actually read what you're writing. And also you have to do your own marketing and be creative with some savvy as to how to get sales. But I totally encourage you, contrary to what Big Luca says about writing your own books, go for it. At the very least, you can say, hey, I wrote my own book. Not a lot of people have ever done that before, or even followed up with their dreams on doing so. And yes, I know for a fact, I know for my own sake, that you can make money writing your own books. So that being said, that's all I really wanted to talk about for today. If you like this video, go ahead, please subscribe. I've got good shit coming. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll certainly get back to you. And aside from that, what I really wanted to announce is that I will be having a 2-hour YouTube live session this Saturday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we go over keywords, keyword research, what makes a good keyword, are your geeky keywords good? Let's all rally up and hold the discussion, and we'll do a free 2-hour coaching session together. So again, my channel, YouTube Live, 12 p.m. in the West. That's 3 p.m. on the East Coast, or 12 a.m. if you're in Israel or Dubai, I think. I almost want to check. But anyway, yeah. Saturday, Facebook Live, 2-hour coaching session. Free coaching from Jacob. Let's get it. Thanks.